Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel GetAssist.net, where I talk about email services, social media, troubleshooting and latest trends. And in today's video, I'm gonna guide you through the process of how to create an account on Instagram for your small business. So social media like Instagram can really make your business or brand grow. You just need to know the right way to get started with Instagram for your business. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to get your hands on more such informational videos. And now let's begin with the video. So you need to have the Instagram app installed on your device, and then here you have to tap sign up with email address or phone number. So here you can either enter your number or you can enter your email address using which you want to sign up. So here I'm going to enter my email address. And then press next. So now here you have to confirm your email first. You have to enter the code that you have received on your email. So here I'm going to enter the code that I have received on my email address. And then press next. Now here you have to enter your full name as well as you have to create a password, alright. So here I'm going to enter my full name, or you can enter your business name as well, alright. So if you are using your real name for your business, you can enter your real name or you can enter your business name as well. And then you have to create a password for your account. After entering the password, you can either select continue and sync contacts, or you can continue without syncing contacts. So here I'm going to select the latter option. And now here you have to enter your date of birth. So yeah, as you can see, the account has been created. Now if you want, you can change the username of your Instagram account, or you can also use the username that Instagram has provided you, alright. So yeah, press next. Now here at this point, you can connect your Facebook account to your Instagram business account, alright. So if you don't know how to create a Facebook business page, you can check out the link I have put in the description box, alright. So connecting your Facebook to your Instagram will let you invite your Facebook friends to follow you on Instagram as well, alright. So I'm going to skip this step as this is just a tutorial, but I will recommend you to don't proceed further without connecting your Facebook to your Instagram. So yeah, I'm going to skip this option for now. And now here you can add a profile photo, or you can do it later as well. So yeah, now your Instagram account is ready. If you want, you can start following people, or you can do that later as well. So that's my Instagram account. But what is left is you have to convert this Instagram account into a business page. So what you have to do is you have to tap the profile icon, and then you have to tap the menu icon at the top, select settings at the bottom. Now you have to tap account, and here at the bottom you will see the option to switch to professional account, alright. So you have to simply tap that. So as you can see here, it's written that what a professional account will do for you. You have to press continue, keep on reading the information that is provided to you. And once you are done reading that information, now you have to select a category for your business. So you need to find a category that best represents your business, and if you can't find the exact category, you can select the one that is closest and that represents your business, alright. You can also toggle on the display category label so that your business category appears on your profile and people can easily know that what type of business you are. After that, press done. Alright, now upon pressing done, Instagram will ask you to decide if you are a business or a creator. So someone who has a huge following could be an influencer, celebrity or author, but here we have to select business, as you know you are going to run a business, so here is no confusion about this, right? So yeah, select business and press next. Now here you can enter some information so that people can contact you. All right, these contact options will be displayed on your profile so that people can contact you. You can edit or remove them anytime. All right, so you can enter your email address that is already mentioned here. You can use your phone number and then you can enter your business address. All right, and then you have to press next. Now again here you are getting the option to connect to Facebook. So if you have a Facebook business page, you can connect it to Instagram. All right, or you can skip it for now. So yeah, as you can see, you have 5 steps to complete. You have to complete your profile, you can invite friends, you can start sharing photos and videos, and you can also explore what professional tools does Instagram has to offer you. So yeah, that was all the information I have to share regarding creating an Instagram account for business. And if you still have any queries, you can put your query in the comment box below, and I will take the leave now. We'll be back soon with a new video.